Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. It's like today we're doing puzzle number 60. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 4, 3 here, so 4, 5, and no help here, 3, 4, 5. For this row, we're missing 3 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 3 and 5 here, so this is our 7. 5 here, so 3, 5. That 3 makes this our 8, 3. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got the 7 here, so 9, 7. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got the 7 here, so 4, 6, no help here, 4, 6, 7, no help here, 4, 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 8, no help here, 2, 6, 8, 6 here, so 2, 8. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, 8, and 9. We've got 4, 6, and 9 here, so this is our 8. That 4 and 6 makes this our 9. I don't see any other help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 8. We've got 1, 4, and 6 here, so this is our 8. 4 and 6 here, so our 1. I don't see any other help. So 4, 6. But that 8 makes this our 3, 8. If we look at this row now, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 2. That 9 makes this our 1, 9. For this column now, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 8. That 8 makes this our 6. 4, 6. Now with that 6 we can get rid of this 6, and with that 4 we can get rid of this 4. And also with that 6 we can get rid of this 6. And now I'm noticing that 8 makes this our 2, 8. For this column now we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this row now, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this top row now, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 4. That makes this our 7, 1. That 7 makes this our 6, 4, 6, 3, 6. That 3 and 4 makes this our 5, 4, 3. That 5 makes this our 2, 5. To finish out this box, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.